Hi, it's your Coach Kai, and today I will be introducing how to make a handmade mask without sewing. And you can do this in less than 10 seconds to protect yourself and your loved ones from COVID-19. So, what you will need is a bandana. Look at my nice Mickey Mouse bandana, and 2 hair ties. As you can tell, I shaved my head, so I borrowed mine from my wife. But that's all you need. All right, let's get started. All right, so let's get started. Let's open your bandana or handkerchief. And what you want to do is fold it into third. Now you've seen people just stick it in like this, but I prefer to have a little pleat in my mask. So I will make a pleat. Now you take your hairband, stick it through one side, in there. Take the other one, stick it through the other side. And you just fold it in. And there we have it. We have ourselves a mask. Alright, so with this mask, you can change the size by the way you fold the bandana or handkerchief that you're using. So you can adjust it to fit your face, as well as adjusting it to fit your children's face. So when you can't find masks for sale, you can use handmade masks that you just made. I hope this was very beneficial for you, and please stay safe. All right, I'll see you next time.